that red stuff?
What red stuff? That's the like the spicing that they put on there.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure there was no fish eggs.
No, no, no.
Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a day in my life video. In this video, I will share with you me cooking breakfast, me getting ready to go on a date with my family, going out to dinner with my family, also me doing some shopping. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, my beautiful people, so on this particular day for breakfast, I made me and my husband some tea, and the tea that I made, I added some honey and some apple cider vinegar, and I also made us some egg and sausage sandwiches. And guys, the breakfast sandwiches, we actually used vegan sausage, and it was really, really good. What I did was I added some butter to some sourdough bread, and I toasted it, and then I added some strawberry jam, added egg and vegan cheese and the vegan sausage. So yeah, guys, I cook breakfast at home 98% of the time. I love cooking breakfast with me and my family. It's something that I really, really enjoy. And to me, it's a healthier option as well. Okay, my chat partners, so let's get ready. I am going on a date with my family, and I am taking them to the mall, and we're going to go hang out and have lunch there and also do a little shopping. So guys, my get ready with me portion is pretty simple. I just add some moisturizer to my face, sunscreen.
Yeah, what's that red stuff?
What red stuff? That's the like the spicing that they put on there to make it
Oh, okay. I
spicier.
just want to make sure there was no fish eggs.
No, no, no.
Thank you.
Chicken?
Here. Thank you. America got sushi. People watching.
Okay, beautiful people, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life vlog. If you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.